welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make tuna mayo pizza. That delicious tuna mayo filling for onigiri can be used as a topping for pizza. Let me show you how to make it, but before we carry on, please hit the subscribe button below before you forget. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 2 medium-sized pizza. 2 canned tuna, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, half onion, shredded mozzarella as much as you like, pizza crust and some green onions. Let's do all the chopping first. Green onion, cut the bottom off, cut them in half, put them together, cut them in half, put them together, and then thinly slice. Put it in a small bowl and put it aside. And onion, cut the top off. Keep the bottom on and let's peel it. And I'm going to mince this, so let's make some slits. And then slice. And put it in a medium-sized bowl. This canned tuna I'm using today is in oil, it's not in brine. And I don't want to make my pizza too oily, so let's remove the oil. Prepare a small bowl and strainer. Put the tuna. The other one too. Press it to remove all the excess oil. This much oil is removed. Let's put it aside, bring back the onion. Let's put the tuna into the bowl. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons soy sauce. Give it a nice mix. The tuna mayo topping is ready. Parchment paper on the oven tray, pizza crust, half of the filling all over the crust. Shredded mozzarella, some green onion, and let's grill this in the oven. I grilled it for 10 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius and tuna mayo pizza is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!